Hello and welcome to this new nature video. Today I want to show you how to build some roads in the best way possible. So most of the time when you're building a road, you want to start from some point and just want to go to the other end, like so. But in nature you will see you have some funky side effect, like this road having dug a trench here and having sliced the mountain right smack into it. Let's use a blue bulldozer to get the terrain back to one, like so. And to undo the trench, and I'm going to show you how to avoid this kind of side effect. So in nature, we have an algorithm which is based on the height of the road being a mix between the height of the starting point and the ending point. So starting point and ending point are very important. So if you start from a very high point, you're going to have this type of terrain support along the road, or if you start from a low point and you go very far, you're going to have trenches which are going to be built. Sometimes you have both a trench and a supporting terrain which happens. So of course those don't look natural at all and should be avoided. In order to do something which looks very natural, what you need to do is use small stretches of roads between two small little roads which are pre-existing. Let me explain to you. I'm going to build a road here on top of the mountain, and I want to have the most natural looking road going up and down this mountain. If I'm using the old method, what is going to happen is this also. But what I need to do is actually go build a road on top of the mountain. That's done. And now I'm going to build a road here at the bottom of the mountain. Okay, now I want to link both. And here, it says me that I need more tiles to meet the slope. That happens because I will need a certain amount of space to make a nice sloped road. So now I'm deleting one part of the road stance. And as you can see, now this curve is much more natural looking. Same thing if I want to go the other direction and go down here. I don't want to do that. Instead, what I want to do is create some road down at the bottom, like so. But if it's too close, it's not going to work nicely. But if it's close enough, you will see it has the very, very nice feeling of having something close. So here, even if you, especially if you go up, zoom up, and look around, you see this road is very natural looking, whereas that road looks absolutely awful. So please be careful and do small stretches of road between two existing roads, and you will see everything will look nice and natural. Thank you very much for your attention. Have fun with the game. Bye bye.